Jeremy, Ezekiel, today we're finding and discovering what animals are hidden in the mud. Are you ready?
Yeah. Let's see what the first animal is.
What is it, Jeremy?
Dinosaurs.
A giant one. Let's see what it is. What is that, Jeremy?
A giant rattlesnake.
Diamondback rattlesnake. What else do we have, Jeremy? Corn snake. Okay, let's see what it is, Jeremy. A Sakosuchus extinct crocodile. I wonder what this one is. Maybe an animal or water creature or dinosaur.
Oh, you see this? Ammonite.
This is a water creature that went extinct 66 million years ago. That's a long time. What else are we gonna wash? Let's see what we have.
And then
Snake. We're going to put it with the other snakes. Ooh, we're going to wash this big one.
I know what this is. Wash this. It's a Galapagos tortoise.
Galapagos tortoise. Ankylosaurus. Let's wash it so we can see how it really looks. A Kentrosaurus.
Like a Stegosaurus.
What else?
Which one is it? Boa constrictor. Venomous stinger.
Stingray. Venomous stingray.
A flying fish.
Awesome. Our next one, let's wash it and see what it is.
This one loves going in the lake, and I know this one.
Let's see what it is. Let's wash it and find out.
See this tail?
What is that? Looks like a fish?
Catfish.
Catfish. Look at the whiskers.
The whiskers are super long, and they get massive.
Okay, let's see what that one is. Maybe a reptile or a dinosaur, water creature?
Albino Burmese python.
An albino Burmese python.
Okay.
Awesome.
I know what this one is.
What is that, Jeremy?
It's the Rhizinosaurus.
The Rhizinosaurs. Look at these massive giant claws. Let's see what that one is. We don't have any lizards. Maybe it's a lizard? What is it, Jeremy?
A bearded dragon.
Bearded dragon. Awesome.
What is that?
No, around the neck is called a frill. It's a frill lizard.
This one's little.
That's a tiny one.
It's a tiny. Do
See
you live
what
in?
it is.
Do you live in the ocean?
Ocean. Let's see. Clownfish. What is that spider?
It has web inside. Spider web. Axolotl.
Axolotl. These are so cool.
I want to catch one.
Me too. We have to go to the lake. Gigantosaurus.
Gigantosaurus. It is. Hyena. Forgot.
Hyena.
Next one.
Clownfish. Crocodile. Okay, go the last one. We're all done with all the animals in the mud. We have one more left. Alligator. These are very rare. Okay, Jeremy, look at all the animals that were in the mud.
Bye, friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Thank you for watching.